Hi, I'm John Rocker, Dealer Principal of Sydney City Toyota, and on behalf of my team and I'd like to congratulate you on the purchase of your new vehicle and welcome you to the Sydney City Toyota family. At Sydney City Toyota, our aim is to make your ownership experience easy, convenient and affordable. It's servicing made easy with a dealer you can trust, utilising genuine Toyota parts fitted by our trained Toyota technicians and master technicians. During your ownership journey, you will receive service reminders from our friendly team to ensure you don't miss a service, which you can book online, via our website or through the My Toyota app, or simply call us by phone. And did you know that a genuine Toyota logbook service history will help the resale value of your vehicle in the long run? We also offer express maintenance service, affordable loan vehicles, tyre replacement services, as well as detailing. So owning and maintaining your Toyota has never been easier. From the entire team at Sydney City Toyota, we wish you years of happy motoring and look forward to welcoming you at your next service. Tell them JR sent you.